Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. It's been a couple days since the last time I did this chart. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and just do some house cleaning and delete these lines out of here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First area to talk about as far as kind of newest areas of support is down here. Let's get just this changed to green. There we go. And if you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you probably know exactly where I'm headed with this. But that would be right down here at, oh, that makes it easy, the 2-cent mark. So several times today, the bears try to press down through that 2-cent mark. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. So 2 cents very clearly, that current area where the buyers are really hanging out at in a pretty strong way. In the event 2 cents cannot hold, next level of support for more so the big picture point of view, down here at the bottom of that consolidation area, and that sits at 0.0175. So going into next week, 0.02 near-term level of support, and then the next level after that would be at 0.0175. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, we'll zoom back in here a little bit. Priority number 1 has everything to do with that pink line right there. That's the famous 200 period simple moving average. If the price can push up above there, then it's the little brother time where you got the 50 period up here. So first off, big brother, the 200 period, and then little brother up there, the 50 period moving averages are going to be those 2 key levels to keep an eye on with any sort of bounce. So there's no doubt about it. The price closed very nicely today, and I guess it's Friday, so closed very nicely on the week, with this nice little miniature bounce here. Is this bounce going to get continuation? Well, again, continuation is going to have to do with breaking above both these moving averages. So we will see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.